Randall Library expansion and renovation will transition to the final phase during summer 2024. The library building will be closed to students, faculty, and staff beginning May 8th. The library collection, both print and physical media, will be unavailable for physical browsing. Circulation will continue, but in a modified format. UNCW faculty, staff, and students can continue to check out items by placing requests using the online catalog. Requests will be filled within one business day on weekdays Monday through Thursday. An automated email will let you know when your item is ready for pickup, either at the library front entrance between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday, or using our second option of locker pickup. We have hundreds of thousands of ebooks, articles, reference materials, and streaming media items available for you 24/7 through the Randall Library website. The first option for materials pickup is via the Library Help Desk. This is where you go to check out, pick up, and return library items, and also to ask in-person research help questions. The library will be closed between the dates of May 8th and May 12th. Randall Library will reopen on May 13th, 2024. This will be at a temporary location during the final phase of renovation, and this will be located just inside the front entrance of Randall Library. Limited services will be available. Again, you can visit Randall Library's help desk on weekdays, Monday through Thursday, from the hours of 8 a.m. until 4 p.m., and this begins May 13th. The second option for book and materials pickup is to use the lockers at Randall Library. Use your preferred browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, to go to the Randall Library homepage. Once there, use the search box to type in the title of the book or material of interest. Use your mouse to press the search button. The next page will load your search results, and it will contain many resources. If you are searching for a book or video, then view the right column. Next, you'll select the option to view all results in the category that's relevant to your search. Identify your selected item by clicking on the title within the results list. A new screen will display. Under the page header, you'll find an icon that says Request. This is near the top of your page. Use your mouse to select this button. You'll be prompted to log into your library account by entering your UNCW username and your UNCW email password. Press the Submit button. Now, using the drop-down menu options, select your preferred location for item pickup. There are two options available to you: the Library Help Desk and the lockers. If you need to request ADA accommodations, send an email to libref@uncw.edu to request ADA accommodations. Now, once the items are available for pickup, you will receive an email. Using the email received, go to the touchpad tablet located on the front of the lockers. Follow the instructions displayed to either scan a QR code or to enter the code listed within the email. Next, the screen will display a number. This number is for the locker assignment where your checked out materials are located. Find the locker that corresponds to that number. A door will automatically open. Remove your materials from the locker, and your checkout is complete. Don't forget to close the door before walking away. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact the Library Help Desk during their modified hours of operation, or utilize the virtual help desk. Virtual references will continue throughout the summer via live chat during normal hours over the summer. Thank you for your patience and cooperation as we prepare for these temporary summer modifications in Randall Library services through the final stages of construction and renovation. If you have any questions, please contact libref@uncw.edu for any assistance. The transformation of Randall Library is an incredibly exciting university project, and we just can't wait to reopen in the fall for all to enjoy.